How to change your default messaging app on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 phone. And basically, choosing between either of these will allow you to receive messages from that set default app. Let's get started. From the home screen of your Redmi Note 11 phone, you can use the quick panel access and get into the main settings by tapping here. And once you're in this section here, you'll want to go down to the part that says apps right there. Once in the apps section here, you'll see where it says manage apps. And as you enter into that there, you'll see all this load up, but you're going to these three dots found right to the top right section here. Once you select that, you'll see where it says default apps. And from here, you'll be able to choose certain default apps for certain categories. So for example, messaging, you'll select this here one time. And if you have any other different messaging type of apps where you can receive messages from, you can choose for them to become your default set messaging apps, in which any messages you receive will be received in that set default app. And that's that. You can come back here and change it. Like, sub, and thanks for watching.